Okay, today we are going to do, let me see, and I know I look a hot mess. This is real life. Real life, people. Not every day are you going to look cute. We're going to do cactus, cacti, whatever you want to call it. Because, of course, I have more than one. So, I'm going to show you how to cook cacti. I have to get rid of these little needles, stickers, whatever you want to call them. And I will show you how to do all that. And since they're fresh, I'll show you what we need to do. How you cook them, basically. Yeah, what you need to do. Whatever. You know what I'm saying. But anyway, let's do this. Let's get started. Of course, I was washing dishes. So, let's do this. Okay, first thing first. I just rinsed it real quick. But then, I like to cut it. I like to scrape it. Going to the bigger, from the end that the store cut to the top of it, basically. Technically, this is the top portion, if y'all can see this. And most of the time, this top portion has a lot of little stickers. So, sometimes I just cut this whole edge, the entire edging, or just the top portion off. And of course, I'm gonna rinse my knife off just to get the excess. Uh-oh, I went too deep. So basically, we're gonna continue to just scrape, 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 and try to get all the stickers off. And of course, I'm gonna rinse it. And then, of course, when you have stickers that are stubborn, like these right here, you're gonna want to come the opposite direction to remove them. Okay. Okay, so I'm finished cleaning it, rinsing it, all that good stuff. I thought I found another. Well, anyway, this one I'm going to keep whole because I have a big pot. And this one I'm probably going to keep whole as well. Oh, I found. Up here, some little stickers. You just really have to go the opposite way. But I'm trying not to make this video super long. Yeah, I'm going to have to cut this edge because it's a lot of little stickers protecting it. I thought I got them all. And of course, I don't like to waste, but at the same time, it's better to be safe than sorry. Because I'm really assuming if you do leave a sticker on accidentally, I'm assuming, of course, it would get soft. Because I'm going to boil this for 40 minutes. So, yeah. And, of course, don't forget to cut this end portion off. And like I said, I don't like to waste a lot, so I don't cut that much off of the end. So you barely anything. I just cut the part that's dead, basically. Okay, I'm gonna rinse this one off, then I'm gonna show you what else I have to do. Okay, so you're gonna need a garlic clove. So I'm gonna have to open this. And of course, I shouldn't have done it that way, but it will work. I'm probably gonna do Technically, I don't even have to chop it up, because I'm just using these to give flavor. So I don't have to be fancy with it and peel them perfectly. But I think I'm going to use 3 cloves. I threw that little half piece in. And me, like a dummy, you know what? I might have to use these technically, because I kind of chopped it. Yeah, I'm going to have to use these because I chopped it. And those are exposed. These other ones will stay good. That one's chopped. This one is in a case. These are in the cases. The little skin. These are like cut, so I'm gonna just throw that in there. And of course, I'm just throwing it in because I want the cactus to have some flavor. Just like I'm gonna... Stuck to my hand. I'm doing this for flavor. I'm gonna boil it with the garlic and cilantro in the pot. You see how beautiful green that is? Woohoo! Yeah. So, let me show you. I'm just gonna chop this all rough. Okay. So, like I told you, I'm not gonna do anything fancy to this garlic. Just a few chops. Because all I'm doing is wanting to put it in the pot for flavor. So, 2 chops. 2 chops to the throat. Okay, so now I have my lovely cilantro. And this, I wanted to use it for other stuff, of course. So I'm just gonna try to grab a section like that. Keep this. I like to rinse everything. Some people say, well, it's gonna boil and kill germs, but I don't always believe that just because you're cooking, if there's dirt, then dirt is gonna stay. So, or at least to me. Okay, one thing that my tia told me, do not put salt. The cactus are salty on their own. Now if you just love salt, put it, but to me it was perfect. I do kind of want to put a little garlic salt, but technically I'm not going to do that until I fry it, and a little pepper and stuff. So here it is inside the pot. I just wanted to show it up close. I already had the fire on.
Wow, it's so cool.
Yep. What am I cooking? Do you know? Cactus.
Cactus.
Yep, the cacti.
I don't like cactus.
You've never tried it. And I set my timer for 48 minutes. Yes, I have jalapenos on the stove, which I need to move since I am cooking. Small kitchen makes you have clutter like this. Because these are the seasonings that are constantly used. So, yeah.
Oh.
And, yeah. So, I'll be back. The timer's it's already been 1 whole minute that we're going to be waiting on this. We'll be back. See you soon. Okay, so now I'm draining the cacti nopales. And you want to rinse them of any slimy residue that they may have if you're going to fry them. And of course, some people might not fry them, but you still don't want the slime because you're going to cut them up into smaller pieces. The final product, here it is, cut up. And of course, I'm cooking, so I cannot show you more. And I'm trying to hold the phone. Hold it and cut. But anyway, yeah, I should be using my camera holder. But as always, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, like I told you, season it to your liking. And you can fry it. You can eat it like this now that it's cooked and boiled. You can probably bake it also. I've just never tried it. But thank you for watching.